On this video, we're going to show you how to sterilize your seed starting mix so that way you don't have any type of fungus gnats or other bugs that will harm your plants when you're starting your seeds. And we're going to start right now. What's going on, YouTube gardeners? My name is Sydney and I'm from the Naked Gardener channel, and welcome to another video. After watching this video, you'll learn how to sterilize your seed starting mix to decrease any type of fungus gnats from harming your plants. If this is your first time here and you're timid about gardening and want to learn about DIY projects that you can use for your gardening, or even want to learn about recipes, how we prepare vegetables from our urban backyard garden, then start right now by clicking the subscribe button and click the bell notification so that way you can get notified when we upload our videos weekly. All right, today we're going to show you how to sterilize your seed starting mix when you're going to start your seeds indoor. For like small starting mixes, I use Jiffy seed starting mix. It's a very good, I get a good result germination from this. There's other ways you can use your own seed starting mix, like you can use coconut coir or peat moss with vermiculite. But if you use any type of potting mix or seed starting mix, you want to sterilize your soil, because sometimes they have different type of fungus, gnats, or any type of insects in here, and they're just basically have their eggs in there. And so when you put them into your house and use your seed starting mix and starting your seeds in there, sometimes they'll release, they'll hatch, and they'll eat your plants from there. So you definitely want to start there. You never want to use outside dirt to bring it in to start your seeds, because you'll bring other type of bugs in here. So what I normally do to sterilize my soil is I'll get a pot of boiling water. I'll put the mix into here. And this is a 12-quart bag of seed starting mix. And I will put about 6 quarts of boiling water. Once it gets like a roiling boil, I will put it in here. I'll just mix it all up and get it. You don't want to put your hands in here because it's, like I said, it's hot. And then this will kill off any type of eggs or anything that's in here, any type of insects that is hibernating. Just mix it up thoroughly to where you make sure you get all coverage of the soil. And then once you get it all mixed in here, you don't want to start your seeds in there right now, because as you can see, the steam is just coming off through here. So what you want to do is, once you get a good mixture in here, is to cover it up and let it set for about 30 minutes to an hour till it gets to a nice temperature. Now you can also, if you have any of these laying around, they're very cheap. If you don't, you can put your seed starting mix in here, put it in the oven for about 400 degrees. Do that for about 30 minutes. Or if you want, you can get, when you get your bag, put it in a microwave container and put it on high for about, let's say, about 5 minutes. Mix it up, rotate it, put another for 5 minutes, mix it up, rotate it, and basically that just sterilizes your soil, so that way it kills off any type of bugs, gnats, or anything that's in there, so that way you can have a good foundation to start your seeds with. If you have a different way of sterilizing your soil, make sure you comment down below. We would like to learn different ways that you sterilize your soil that we can maybe incorporate in our method as well. If you haven't done so already, make sure you hit the like button and make sure you subscribe as well and hit the bell notification, so that way you can get notified when we upload our videos weekly. And as always, let's continue to grow together.